Come test drive the 2013 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, heated seats, navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.